Welcome back into a new video of TechRest. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get started and dive into the HubSpot email marketing. So, first of all, let's understand HubSpot. So I'm going to leave a link down below in the description, guys, so you can have the HubSpot tutorial for free, having a huge deal there. So once you have access directly into the HubSpot, you want to follow the prompts to have an actual account tutorial for free. Now, HubSpot is a powerful CRM platform that offers a comprehensive email marketing tool. This allows you to create personalized email campaigns, automate follow-ups, and track some performance metrics. So to get started, once you have access directly into your actual element of the HubSpot, let's understand here the basics. So let's go here into the user guides. You have the bookmarks where you can add different quick access. We have the workspace where you can see the prospecting and the help elements. The CRM where we can locate our context, the companies, deals, tickets, and much more elements. Now into the marketing, we can see campaigns, email, social, ads, and forms. The content where you can create website landing page, blogs, and much more elements. E-commerce, automations, reporting data, and library. Today, what I'm going to be doing here is to get started into a web pod that says CRM and focus directly here into context. Now, into my context, what I wanted to do is to add my very first context. Whether you can go to add it directly from the context section here into it says create context. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to create my context and I'll set it up this myself. You can of course create a contact with an email, the first, last name, and adding much more information there. Once you have added all of this element, it should be appearing here. Inside this element says contact, and you can see that we have here our contact. We can of course add different emails, phone numbers, contact owner, the primary company, and so much more elements. Once you have added all of those, then it is time to create our very first email template campaign. So to get started with the personalization token emails, once you have added the important contact, what you can do is to go into the web pod and go for my actual marketing. Inside marketing, let's focus into email. Now inside my email, I can start creating my very first email. So whether you can start creating your very first email campaign or choose an actual provider. So let's go and focus with create email into the upper side. You can choose to have a regular email for, let's say, to your contact. You can choose automated, so personalized email that automatically send by itself to your contacts through the workflow, or with a blocked email where you can just publish your contact once you send updates to your email subscribers. Let's go and focus for the regular one. So here into the regular, what you can do is to pick a template. So I'm going to of course go for closing the tour. And here I have basic that we can of course choose to get started in. Let's go and focus with something really easy like a welcome email. So I select my welcome email and automatically should be popping up this new edition of my email section. So into the upper side we have now the preview of how it's actually going to be looking our mail. So if I click into something, for example here the company logo, I can of course replace it with my own. So if I hit into replaced, I can upload my own logo. So speaking about images, logos, and branding elements, I can totally suggest you to use images that has no background on a PNG file to make this much more easier to add directly into your email campaigns. So when I have added all of these elements, just select it and automatically should be replace it with the other stuff that was generated here. Now scrolling a little bit down, what you can do is to change the width and the height. So let's go for width 66 by 66. So here I can click into my text and I can type to welcome to welcome to the cave, right? And I can start adding elements. For example, here is your 10% discount for our store. So I can delete this element and I can add my own. So for example, my code should be, let's say for example, cats10. I'm going to preview this email and I'm going to send a test email or preview as an actual contact. So as somebody who has opened this email for the very first time, we can see there have the logo, the discount, the title, the image. It doesn't look that bad. And here is how it should be looking into a phone. So it doesn't look that bad. So if I see this into a text plain view, when somebody has no great internet and whatever, this is how it should be looking though. So if you're okay with what you're seeing here, what I can do is to go back and review and send. Once again, review, and I go for preview once again, and I hit now into save. So there you go, guys. This is how you can actually start creating an email marketing campaign. Now that you have an email added there, what you can do to add the marketing campaign is to, of course, use automations. Now, the automation can be helping you to, let's say, track conversions to check out how it's actually going to be looking here. So, for example, my automations, I'm going to go and create a simple workflow. So creating an actual simple workflow is, for example, when somebody clicks into your website, automatically they're going to be sending an email and, of course, different CRM. So in this case, these stuff are, of course, only available for pro users. So we're going to be just limited to use the email marketing templates that we can have created here and here. So what you can do is to clone this so we can start adding much more elements. We can achieve this, be more detailed, how many open rates delivered, click rates, and you can of course track all of those conversions. You can check out, of course, how well your email has just checked it out. Focus here into the analyze section. You can see much more information about your email and you're good to go. So guys, with that being said, head over to the very end of the video. You now know how to use the email campaign section of the HubSpot, a really easily solution for people who are just getting started using email templates. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully you can all see you into your product section as expressed. See you next time.